As part of the exercise, I suggested that we go over to the library site to look at similar papers in event evaluation so we can get an idea as to what it is the current state of knowledge in the field. So the paper I've selected is Public Sector Evaluation of Festivals and Special Events. And in order to identify similar papers, what we look at are the keywords that authors have used to identify their own paper. So for the Public Sector Evaluation of Festivals paper, they've used the keywords festivals and special events, evaluation, and impacts, economic and social. So if we go over to the library's website, we can use those keywords to try to find similar papers to the one that we have. So if we go to advanced search, we'll use one keyword from each grouping. So we'll use festivals. We will use evaluation. And we will use social impact. Now, I want a very narrow search, so I'm going to, in the select a field section, I'm going to use abstract. So only papers that have these three keywords in the abstract will be returned. If I wanted to go a bit broader, I could use all text, which is probably going to be too broad for you, but perhaps subject terms would be a way of making the search a bit broader. So we click on search and we see what we found. We found 7 papers, which is a reasonable way to start. So how we evaluate the success of our search is that we read the abstracts of the papers that have been returned. And if we look at the first paper in our list, a flexible framework for evaluating the socio-cultural impacts of a small festival, we can see that this does fit what we're looking for. The increasing popularity of festivals and events has led to a growing body research impact of festivals, and they've gone on further to talk about developing of a tool, the social impact perception scale. So this paper is strongly aligned to the sort of research that we want to conduct based on our keywords. So we can keep this and go on to read the entire paper. Well, I hope you've understood the process, so you can repeat the search on your own if you wish, and if you're not finding anything useful in your search, you can go back to your keywords and change your search terms around until you find some papers that closely fit the one that you're looking for.